Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Chainlink. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you for your support across the channel. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for sharing this video. And thank you for being in the CoinsKid community. And obviously, most importantly, thank you for your subscription on YouTube, okay? Honestly, we couldn't have built this community without your subscription and your taking the time out every day to watch these videos. And I really do appreciate that, okay? And I appreciate all the Patreons. I appreciate all the support. Honestly, good luck to each and every single one of you that are involved in crypto. I'll always say what I see, okay? I won't feed you no spiel, won't feed you no bullshit, won't give you no hopium projections without backing it up with technical analysis. You know, I see a lot of people saying, Chainlink 1K, end of year and stuff. It's a meme, I know that, I'm fully aware. I know I've been around for Chainlink. I know that potentially, you know, it could go to 1K, but don't necessarily anticipate in this bull run. I've got my, reserve targets here, backed up by Fibonacci and technical analysis. I do see Chainlink getting to 122, and I do see an overextension on the $208 because this is exactly what it does in each up cycle. Okay, we've been through this many times. I've been, honestly, you know I'm a bit of a link marine. Basically, I've been buying Chainlink since 17 cents, dollar cost averaging, hoarding it away, and not for myself, you know, for my children and, you know, my grandparents and my mother and my cousins and my nieces and my nephews. And, you know, I've been spreading the love and the Chainlink message for a very long time now, and a lot of them are doing okay from it, okay? And I do think, you know, moving forward, whether we roll over and we enter a bear market or whatever, I do think that Chainlink is one of them coins that you definitely do need to be sort of paying attention to. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice in this, you know, space that I do. You know, it's for educational entertainment purposes only. You make your own decisions. All I can do is show you the charts, okay? And, you know, there's a saying, show me the charts and tell you the news. Well, the news is, immediately, if you switch to the weekly, you know, Chainlink is extremely bullish on the weekly. Look at that. I mean, if you look at on the weekly, you're above the 20, okay? You're coming up to a key level resistance. You break out that resistance just there, boom, see you later. Chainlink's going to absolutely take off like it does here. Look, you're on a key level resistance just there, very similar, horizontal. You've got that level of resistance just there, and once you start to break out, look, you were gone, and you form that 1618 target. Then you got overextended just there on the $53, I think it was, on the 2. And this is why I have my projections here, okay? If you're new here and this is your first time watching Chainlink video, these are my forecasts: 122 and 208 in this bull run. You know, I don't necessarily see anything beyond that. You know, hopefully we can get to that. This is a minimal target, the 1618 fib, and I do think that once you start to break out here, potentially come all the way up to there, get a little bit overextended, and this is where you potentially run into there for Chainlink, okay, in this bull market. And at that point, I would anticipate a bit of a correction for Chainlink, to be honest with you. A lot of people think it's going to go to 1K, you know, end of year and stuff like that. Potentially it could do, and these fibs are an underestimation basically, but I'm just telling you what I see, okay? I'm telling you what I see, and so far each and every impulsive wave has broken beyond the 1618 to the 2, and this is the 1618 off this impulsive break right now. Obviously we've got work to do, and this is the 2 basically, okay? I've shown you in previous videos, but right now you are putting in the legwork. You are putting in the legwork. On the weekly, you're above the 20, you're running into this resistance like here, just here. Look, it's one big ascending triangle and one big W bottom pattern, okay? Pretty much like your thumb down here, look, boom, 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 you come up, you broke resistance, broke out, and the same again here, look, you come down there, you broke resistance, broke out. That was last March, that was a corona dump, so you was effectively on your way. Look, you're broken out of a massive W bottom pattern just there. Let me show you on the weekly. Look, that's your level of resistance right there. You came down, you made a low, you made a high, you made a higher low, and you come up, you broke the resistance, yeah, you're off, and then corona dump, immediately bought back up, boom, you broke out and you were gone. Okay, so it's all resistance and support again here. You know, you rolled over just there, you create a whopping ascending triangle again, you've got a low, a high, a higher low, broke out, see you later. And right now you're doing exactly the same thing. You've come down, you've made a low, you've made a high, you're making a higher low, and right now you're almost on the cusp of breaking out. And once you break out and take out that high, you're putting in a higher high, and you basically flip the switch, haven't you? You bottomed out doing something like this, and you're starting to take off here for Chainlink in this bull market. So I know it's frustrating. Yeah, okay, I've seen all the comments. I'm fully aware it's frustrating. It's lackluster. But it's because if you're new to the space, okay, you wouldn't have been around for all of this, which I have. I've been buying Chainlink down since 2017. I've been buying Chainlink, dollar cost averaging. So I've seen the ups and downs. And trust me, I've been burnt trying to sell it and buy back in. You know, I'll be honest, I've lost half my stack trying to play the Chainlink game, which which was very foolish of me, okay? But you learn lessons in this space, and these are the lessons that I try to teach you. Dollar cost average, time in the market over timing the market is valuable information that I'm giving you, okay? Take it on board, do with it what you want. Again, nothing I say is financial advice in this space. It's all for educational and entertainment purposes only. So you can see pretty much you're mirroring this breakout as you did here and here, which I've just shown you, okay? So you're looking incredibly bullish, providing you can come up and get back above this low resistance just here for Chainlink. I do think that these technical targets to the upside will be met, okay? And so far, all of the technical targets on this retracement have been met, and you can see on the daily right now, you are running into this resistance. This is a bit of a bull trap for me. So you've got this whopping ascending triangle like this, okay, and you're forming ascending triangles within ascending triangles. I think in the previous video I gave you this one, boom, 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 you broke out, you come up, met the target, and right now you're doing another one, and potentially once you break out of there, let's have a look at this technical break target just here to here. You could see that if Chainlink breaks this level of resistance right now and comes up, you are looking at a 37.73 Chainlink token, which takes out that high. So you're making higher highs and higher lows since you load out down here, okay? So this is extremely bullish. You got a low, you got a higher low, and then you've got a higher high, and right now, you know, you come up here, roll over again, and you're still making a higher high. You potentially roll back to this trend line support, get the support, and break out to the upside there for Chainlink. So yeah, it's slowly going up the stairs, isn't it? You know, and this is the thing, and you know, you've got to be aware, time in the market over time in the market. Now I'm always going to show you everything, okay? There is a possibility here, you know, let's not be overly bullish. This is technical analysis. There is a possibility that if you fail to break this high just here, okay, you could roll into a bear market. I'll always show you what I see. So look, there's your low from there to there, and what you're doing right now, you're actually retracing to that high. So you can see just here, you've got above the golden ratio, okay? So you're relatively bullish because this is a nominal retracement. You know, when you roll over here, you make a high, okay, you come up in a parabolic move and you make a high, you usually roll over and you retrace to the 050, and that's where you roll and you lose the low, and at that point you create another impulsive wave to the downside. That would be a whopping bear market signal right there. And I said to you the whole way, this is your technical low. You can't afford to lose this for Chainlink, because if you see Chainlink coming down there again and losing that low, that's your bear market. And I gave you a breakdown target. I reckon it was about $2, wasn't it? The bear market, if this was the cycle high and this is your cycle low, and then you come up, you do the dead cat bounce, and then you roll. So for me, you're breaking out the 050, which is excellent, and right now you're toying with a golden ratio, which is good because you can see you're getting above it. So you've got one last level of resistance left, the 786. So for me, you need to come up there, break that, back test holding support, and then you'll be taking out that high. When you take out that high, you've got levels of resistance. You've got a resistance of the 1272 at $76, you've got the 1414 at $93, and then you've got that 1618 at 123, okay? And then the 2 up here, the 2 is at $208, which we've always met. We've always met these targets in these impulsive breaks, which I've shown you. Look, that came up there, that was the 2, that was a 1618 retrace, and that was the 2. Do you see that? So this here, when we broke here, it came up, that was your 1618, and that was your 2 off this impulsive break. So it's doing really, really well. You know, it's doing really, really well. It's moving up the stairs, holding key levels of support, looking for continuation, and you've basically got a little bit of a breakout here. I think this technical target is there, 37.75 technical breakout target, but this is the good thing. Let me show you right now, because if you break out here, you're putting in a whopping, wherever that support is, something like that, isn't it? Let's move that like that. That's it. So if you break out here, you've got a massive W bottom ascending triangle breakout target as well, which sees you come up to 53.51. So because you're breaking out level resistance just there, okay, you're actually in the technical target to this, which is that just there, 53.67, which I've just shown you breaks that high. Once you're breaking that high, you're putting a confirmation of impulsive wave to the upside, and then your technical targets to the upside, okay? So that's basically Chainlink. It's doing really, really well. Really, really well. You know, you've got this W bottom, you've got a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder, you've got this key level of resistance just there, which I've not given you. Why have I not given you that? I do apologise. So let's give you this key level of resistance right now for Chainlink. Now if you start to see Chainlink come up and beat 33.05 on the daily, hold it as support, you're looking at these targets up here for Chainlink, okay? Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, thank you for support. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.